Do you also want to create professional and eye-catching thumbnails like this? In this video, I'll show you how to generate stunning text-based thumbnails using two powerful AI tools, Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI. So let's get started. First, let's start with Leonardo AI, an advanced tool that generates high-quality images and thumbnails using AI. To create a perfect thumbnail, we first need a creative prompt. Instead of spending time coming up with one ourselves, we'll let AI do the work. I'm using ChatGPT to generate an optimized prompt for my thumbnail. I am entering here my prompt, but you can always edit and customize it based on your video topic. Once we have our prompt ready, let's move to Leonardo AI and start generating our thumbnail. Now open Leonardo AI and click on the image generation, copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste it on text box. Here you can select the video style and size according to you. Now click on Generate and wait for a few seconds. And just look at this. Leonardo AI has created an amazing thumbnail for us. It's professional, eye-catching, and ready to use for our video. If you don't satisfied with the result, you can regenerate this. This will give you better thumbnails than previous one. And after generating your thumbnail, click on Download and download your file. Now that we've explored Leonardo AI, let's move to another fantastic tool, Ideogram AI. This tool is specifically designed for creative text-based designs and makes stunning thumbnails in just a few clicks. Open your Chrome browser and search Ideogram AI. If this is your first time using Ideogram AI, you'll need to sign up with your email. But if you've already used it before, just log in and continue. Now paste the same prompt we used earlier or modify it as needed. Then select the size and style of your thumbnail, YouTube, Instagram Reels, or Shorts, depending on your needs. Now hit Generate and let Ideogram AI do its thing. Within seconds, we get these beautiful AI-generated thumbnails that look professional and visually striking. You can use these thumbnails for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, Shorts, or any other content where you need an engaging cover image. Here is the thumbnail he gave to us. This is looking good. You can use it for your videos. Choose your best thumbnails and download it from here. Here is our thumbnails from both tools. Both tools are incredible and depend on your design preferences. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. And that's how you can create text-based thumbnails effortlessly using AI. Whether you prefer Leonardo AI for its professional touch or Ideogram AI for its creative text styles, both tools make thumbnail design quick and easy. Which AI tool impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered design tips.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.